Hello guys, how you doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day. I want to welcome you to HairArtistry Styles, your go-to channel for the latest braids hairstyle, their benefits and expert tips to keep your braids looking flawless and stylish. Join us on this journey of creativity and self-expression and fall in love with the art of braiding all over again. In today's video, I'll be talking about top amazing and splendid stitch braids hairstyles every woman should try in 2024. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you are new here, please also like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Now, stitches braids have become a top trend in 2024, offering women stylish and protective hairstyles that blend creativity and precision. These braids, characterized by their clean, defined lines and versatile and allow for endless personalization. Whether you're looking for a sleek, polished look or something more playful and bold, stitch braids offer something for every occasion. One of the most popular options is classic straight back stitch braids, which are neat and elegant, perfect for everyday wear. For a more elevated style, many women are opting for high buns with stitch braids, giving a formal yet stylish appearance. Zigzag stitch braids are a fun, creative alternative with that adds a dynamic edge to the traditional style, making them ideal for making a bold statement. Another trend is a combination of stitch braids with cornrows, blending the precision of stitch braiding with the artistry of cornrows. For women seeking a more feminine look, side-swept stitch braids offer a soft, asymmetrical design that frames the face beautifully. Feed-in stitch braids are also popular in 2024, offering a natural, fuller appearance by gradually adding hair extensions. Adding beads and accessories to stitch braids enhances the look, creating a personalized style that stands out. For those who prefer a more sophisticated option, low ponytails with stitch braids provide a sleek, elegant look suitable for any setting. Finally, Bohemian stitch braids combine neat braiding with loose coils, offering a relaxed, textured appearance that's perfect for a carefree bohemian vibe. These stitch braids not only offer beauty, but also provide protective hairstyle, making them a top choice for women in 2024. In conclusion, the versatility and elegance of stitch braids make them a must-try hairstyle for women this year, offering endless ways to express personal style while keeping natural hair healthy and protected. And finally, let me allow you to watch this video and take your time to embrace the amazing styles of stitch braids that you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.